I watch from below to see how high and how far they would travel to unravel the truth of it all. I'm the soccer ball, been kicked so many times, no longer knowing right from lies, wrong at times.
That's right.
I listen to write rhymes that no longer tracks my feelings. Guess my words are blinded by the insecurity that has surrounded my mind. Picks away at time, I wonder about it sometimes, but realize that I'm losing time. Wasted minds, talent, written rhymes since before I knew what I was doing to these lines.
God damn it.
Ink's dry, kept count of words used to define what I felt inside, and it's not worth it.
Nope.
For I am not worthy of your trust, but it is a must that you get the fuck away from the clusterfuck of a being.
That's true.
Maybe you should click your heels 3 times to open eyes to see nothing but darkness in sight. But why should they heel kick when karma is in its right mind, right in front of our eyes, waiting to punk kick me in the head like Donald Trump? I must have sunk so low that if my mind was a blunt, it would just be a roach. Let them eat the bitter end, parts that's left, like I've gone to bed 6 feet deep of nothing but ash. So I turn around, take a bow, and drag whatever is left. I call that stress. Whew. If I could take it back, I would adjust things, not change it for things to get better. What is life like Yasmin to be happy, knowing I'm popular but black inside, bittersweet? Go to sleep. Take a second to breathe to see what the world has created. I'm like a tar that just sticks around, bringing down whoever comes around that causes faces to frown. But on the outside, a two-face. Flip a quarter to die like Two-Face. Double barrel point blank between the eyes. I call that a two-face. Scattered brains across the aisle is an overdue date. Scrub these haters out like toothpaste. I'm not great but humble enough to put you in your place. My mistake. I didn't mean to be mean, but that is me. Mister, I do not give a fuck about your feelings. Forgotten about the past, which I'm so relieved to hear. But death keeps drawing near, but mistakes them for me. Even though I am right here, if I stand still, the Reaper won't take me. Even if I'm on the highway doing 150.
Yeah.
Death teases me. I ain't emo. I'm just tired of seeing the deserving leave. Every breath I take, someone around me cease to exist. Truth is, I'm just wishing too much. I just can't sleep. Let death come to mind as if I'm dreaming. I should wake up and apologize. A quote from Ali. Forgive thee. Now I see I am meant for greater things, or so everyone says. But those who do say it last long. It's a deathbed. Saying that to me is asking for a stretcher bed. Can't be revived and live a regular life like a meth head.
Y'all know that.
The addiction is real if you understand it. Should I rewrite things and make things simple like before? Like when the pistol made sense, dropping like changed bodies on the floor? Did you get that? Let me repeat that. Like when the pistol made sense, dropping like changes. I just can't do it no more. Here, let me do it again. Like when the pistol made sense, dropping like changed bodies on the floor. Did you get that? If you ain't understand, look it up. I'm being discreet. I don't deserve it. I'm a bastard, hiding behind this mask, a circus freak. Test this beast to turn you into the bitch that cries sheep. If you ain't involved, don't concern yourself with me. Love it or hate it, this ain't a game, ain't no beef. My expectations are given out on the first meet. Their actions will tell me to kick it or kick you in the teeth. They claim that I'm violent just cause of my words I preach. Life is full of dreamers, and that is not who I set out to be. Don't talk, I'm gonna need antibacterial screen. Some shit should block all these fakes surrounding the cells around me. I'm the germ buster, not a buster. You fake clowns hiding it knows you won't float under. Don't choke and proceed to talk shit and provoke the unknown. Easy spitting Kong from down below and MO the state, KC the city. Ain't got time for you petty little bitches trying to see me. You wanna see me? Then see me. Don't wait for nothing. Making up excuses, killing time before you pussies start the running. I'm hunting like Chai Vane. You got a problem with something? Man up, don't be a bitch, talk shit and start ducking big game. You got punks fronting for nothing about starting this triple OG stomping. Conversation starts with a C, so you bitches are cupping. This rap shit ain't nothing. Don't pretend to be. Like a lover boy from the start. Changed my whole attitude to fit in with the fakes around me. But I do surround myself with people like me. Well, not like me, cause if they is, it'd be like gangs back then when they were rolling the streets. Ready to squeeze for no reason. Shots pop off and your friend is the one that held you down as the concrete. This shit goes so deep. Ho, please, get down on both knees and crawl back to the hole you came from. No peace. Just had to let another one loose from the asshole. That's me. Now you see what ill-minded fuck I could be. Do you understand that? Goddamn, I'm rusty.